The overall goal of this procedure is to simplify data collection for visual attention tasks via an online web application. This is accomplished by first logging in participants to a web application. Next, the participants are instructed to calibrate their screens for correct stimulus presentation. Then, the participants read the task instructions and complete practice trials. Finally, data is collected from participants as they complete the full tasks. Ultimately, online data collection methods for visual tasks show consistent results with that of traditional lab-based methods.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods is that data can be collected from a larger, more diverse population in a relatively short amount of time. Demonstrating this procedure will be Olga Pikul, a technician in the lab.
To begin, have the participant sit in a quiet room free of distractions with an internet-enabled computer at a comfortable height. Instruct the participant to navigate to the web application shown here using an HTML5 compatible browser. Have the participant input a unique ID that will be associated with the data collected and stored in a MySQL database. Before logging in, obtain consent from the participant via a consent form linked on the page. To calibrate the screen, ask the participant to input the diagonal size of the screen in inches in the labeled text box. If the participant doesn't know this information, have them find a CD or credit card as a calibration object. When one is selected, prompt the participant to place the object against the screen and align it with a representative image.